Okay, so we are going to go over how to find the GCF, or the greatest common factor, of a set of numbers. This is a 6th grade standard. All right, so number one is we're just going to do 2 of these problems. So number one, it wants to know the factors of 8. So we are going to list the factors of 8. As we know, factors are the numbers you multiply together to make a product. So to make 8, I can multiply 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So those are all the factors of 8. To make 12, I can multiply 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Now I'm going to look at those 2 lists of factors and I'm going to highlight which ones they both have. So they both have a 1, they both have a 2, they both have a 4. So the greatest common factor is the biggest factor that they both have, so that would be 4. So the GCF of 8 and 12 is 4. So towards the bottom of this worksheet, it switches to LCM, which stands for least common multiple. So we're finding multiples instead of factors. Multiples go on forever. So I like to pick, let's do number 6. I like to pick the first 5 or 6 multiples of a number. So multiples of 4, I'm just going to skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Those are the first 6 multiples of 4. Multiples of 5, I skip count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And we'll do 30 so that we can have 6 multiples of each. Now we're going to see, do they share any multiples? Do they have any common multiples? Yes, they do. They both have 20. That's the only one we got, so that's automatically the least common multiple. If you look on the other side of the worksheet, it's the same. You're doing the same thing. There's just not any spaces for you to write your factors and your multiples.